How to earn money online in 2021. Wondering how you can make money online in the year 2021? The internet has provided millions of opportunities for people to earn their living, and it's growing every day. The 21st century will be known as the digital age, where all kinds of business or job works have become digitized. There are new ways we can make money on the internet using our skills, knowledge, creativity, and whatever talent we have. Here are 10 ways how you could earn money online this year or in the future. 1. Start a blog. You can start your own website or blog and share useful information with visitors who would want to learn something from what you have to offer. Running a blog requires a lot of work and time, but the good thing is that it's an excellent way to earn money online in 2021, as many websites like Tumblr, Blogspot and WordPress offer free blogs you can start using. It's a myth that only highly intelligent people are creative. 2. Create a YouTube channel. You can share your talents and how you make money online by starting your own YouTube channel, where you share and create your art, how you design your clothes, or how to cook the best dish in the world. YouTube provides a platform where people from all around the world can get connected with one another and also see how other people are making money online in 2021. It is an internet-based show that has become very popular thanks to its celebrity bloggers. YouTube offers easy ways to earn money online in 2021, just like the many other websites like Blogger and Tumblr mentioned above that offer free blogs to start off with. On YouTube, there are celebrities who have made it big by sharing their creativity. 3. Selling on Etsy. If you have a talent in making clothes, accessories, or any other kind of artistic thing, then you can sell your products online on sites like Etsy. People would want to get what's hot, and having something that is handmade will be more special than buying machine-made products. There are many stores on Etsy where we can show how we can make money online in 2021 by selling our creations. There is also an option of how we can start a small business and how we could market it so people will know about our products to earn even better. Websites like eBay and Amazon also offer similar services, but if you really want to make it big, then you should try the website called Etsy, because they provide some good opportunities for how we can make money online in 2021. There are many stores on Etsy where we can show how we can make money online in 2021 by selling our creations. There is also an option of how we can start a small business and how we could market it so people will know about our products to earn even better. 4. Sell your photos online. If you have some photos that you would like to sell online, then you can post them on sites like Fotolia and Shutterstock. You can also share the photos on Instagram or Facebook if you want to restrict your target audience. Sites like Etsy, eBay and Amazon are also places where we could earn money online in 2021 by selling our pictures. The internet is a digitized business world where everything has gone digital in one way or another. There are many ways we can make money on the internet without even leaving our home or work desk in the year 2021. We just need to find what skills or talents we have for which we can create an income opportunity. 5. Sell your books on Amazon. If you've written a book, then you can share it online in the form of PDF or HTML. You can also create an ebook and sell it on sites like Amazon, where most people go to buy their books online. Selling your own ebooks is another way we could earn money online in 2021, because people would want to read something new and that they've never heard about before. This is good for authors as well as readers. Selling books is a viable way to earn money online. Selling your ebooks on sites like Amazon, for example, can also provide you with the opportunity of earning more than if you were just selling through third-party websites or marketplaces. 6. Sell items online. You can sell clothing, accessories, jewelry, or other things that you don't use anymore, but still are in good condition, so someone else might be interested in buying them from you at a cheap price compared to how much they cost. Selling items online is a relatively easy way to make money. However, it can be difficult to do well. In order to sell items online successfully, you'll need the right equipment and supplies, a clear plan of action, and solid marketing techniques. 1. Decide what type of store you want. Do you want an eBay store or something more personal like Etsy? 2. Find out how much it will cost. You might need an inventory management program like Vendio in order to list everything from one place or manage sales on multiple sites at once. If that sounds too expensive or simply to get started, there are some free options such as Spring. See the link in the description. 7. Teach English online. It's hard to teach English online because the students are not there in front of you. This is why it's important to have a clear plan of how you're going to do this. Before you start teaching, you need to decide your method on how you will teach and what materials or tools that are needed. It's also important that the student can see their progress so they know if they're doing well or not. One way is by using an online grading system like Moodle, which grades the students' work and gives them feedback on their mistakes. Another way is through videos where the teacher speaks directly at them and provides examples as well as explanations of certain concepts, which might be difficult for some people who are learning English as a second language. Dabble is an online language learning site with a complete English course for beginners, intermediate and advanced learners. You can sign up and learn at your own pace with detailed lessons and continuous support from native speakers. The platform also has more than 50 languages to choose from, so you can build your skill set whichever area interests you most. 8. Get podcasting. Podcasting is a relatively new form of audio media that has become more popular in recent years. Podcasts are typically available for free on the internet from a variety of sources. They come in many different formats, meaning they're perfect for when you're commuting or working out at the gym, because you can't see what's happening on your phone while driving or exercising and don't have time to read an article blog post like this one, which I recommend reading. To make money from podcasting, you'll first need to record or create a podcast before you can start making any money. This means that you must either purchase recording equipment or download free software and learn how to use it. Once you get everything set up, you'll be able to publish your podcast on the internet for people all over the world to hear. If you want to make money with podcasts, then the best thing for you to do is to sign up for a service called Patreon, which lets other supporters pay a small fee each month in exchange for exclusive rewards and perks like early access and behind-the-scenes conversations. 9. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that enables entrepreneurs to sell products online without having to buy any inventory up front. The business model allows entrepreneurs to make money online by selling other companies' products and keeping the difference between what they paid for the product and what they charge the customer. Dropshippers typically create a store on their own website or eBay, Amazon, Etsy, etc., and then link this store with a fulfillment company such as Oberlo, where they can import dropshipped items from China at low prices. Dropshipping is easy because it doesn't require any initial investment in inventory or warehousing space, so you don't have to worry about carrying all of your stock on your balance sheet. The amount of money that you can make from dropshipping will depend on the following factors: a product's price and the percentage you will make off it, your conversion rates, the quantity of units purchased at a time. 10. Set up an online course. Setting up your own online course can be a great way to share your teaching skills with the world and earn money from them. One way to do this is by building your own website and enrolling for a paid course like Udemy or Teachable, so you can take advantage of their marketing tools and make money off students who sign up for your class. Online courses have been one of the top ways to earn money online. It is a very popular way for people to learn new skills or find information that they need. It also provides more flexibility than other ways and teaches in an interactive manner. There are a lot of different ways to make money online, but the two most common are through freelancing and building your own product. Whatever you do, it's important to make sure you don't try to do too many things at once or take on too much work. You will have more success if you work on one or two things and perfect them before moving on to something new. If you like this video, why not give us a like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.